Good morning everyone, we're up sort of early this morning and it could be the only nice day we get, so we wanted to get out on the boat on the lake before it starts tipping down. This morning's breakfast is probably poached eggs since we don't have any butter to do fried eggs, therefore it's stick to the pan. Never cooked them before, so we'll see how this goes. Also there's no sauce or butter on the bread, so it could be quite dry. We're cycling to Lake Hallstatt now. I've ended up with a tiny bike because Tom's being a mug and not letting me use the size I would fit, but you know, oh well. It's very safe here, there's like no cars at all, so I don't feel too unsafe not wearing a helmet and vlogging at the same time. But then again, I won't do it too much, Mum. It's Lake Hallstatt. And that town over there is Hallstatt. So yeah, we're probably like, I don't know, 5 minutes from there at the moment. But that's what we might be renting there. And there's Tom again.
Okay,
we're in the boat. We've got it for 2 hours, isn't it? Yep. 2 hours because the weather's not going to be good maybe in 2 hours. I'm now... Why are we going this way all of a sudden? I'm driving. Struggling to go straight. Matt's got the drone up. We're about to jump in a minute, I guess.
If I look fat in these, I'll probably do.
Do I look big? Look at them.
Back in the boat now, finished at that spot. It was a solid spot. What are you doing? Stop touching my armpit. Yeah, now we're just carrying on the boat. So this castle here, the Red Bull owner wanted to buy it, but he didn't because he couldn't land his seaplane on the lake. Just coming back into Hallstatt now. Good 2 hours on the boat. Have a little wander around and find some lunch. It's a pretty nice place to wander through, to be honest. Tourist hotspot this is. Got a good view of the church from here. The busiest spot in Hallstatt by far to get a photo. Just cycling out of Hallstatt now, going back to the apartment to get some lunch. We scrapped going home to get lunch and we just got hot dogs and burgers because it was cheap. So, tastes good. Cycling back now. It's quite hard work for me because I'm on a tiny bike. Yeah, I'm the biggest here. I'm back in Novatron now. We're going to make a quick stop at the supermarket. Just to top up on, probably get some milk and cereal for breakfast. We were lacking in the breakfast department this morning. Supermarket was closed for lunch, so might go on our dinghy down the river. Sounds fun. We're just going to take a boat onto the river. A dinghy, not really a boat, it's a dinghy. We've arrived at the river. We're just looking for a suitable place to put the boat dinghy in. Not too bad. Like, it's a pretty good ride. We've just hit some light rapids. Okay, test run 1 done. Me and Matt are just having a little river walk whilst we wait for them to come back. Could be a while. Because it's about to start raining, I think. There's a lot of storm clouds up there, which don't look fun. We also need to do some shopping and play football. Okay, now we're going to the shops to get supplies, breakfast stuff tomorrow. Successful shop, dumped the shopping, going to play football now. I didn't bring boots, these three did. It's an odd thing to bring on an interrailing trip, if I'm perfectly honest. Can you finish it?
Oh no!
Just playing some football, you know, just scoring some bangers. And we scored about, well, I mean, we scored like two goals and got like 3 on target for in about half an hour. I think we're looking for a spot just to go swimming quickly, just to cool off in the river. We're going for a swim.
Oh, it's hanging down so low!
It's a good swimming spot, this. Probably come here again at some point. Okay, cycling back now. Excuse my hair. I just went skimmy dipping in the lake. This is the team from yesterday which we saw training, which is in 1860 versus an Austrian team called USK Anifk. Okay, we're cycling back now. We stopped watching the football. Quite a few good football teams play here. Like Everton came here last year, Chelsea came here 2 seasons ago for pre-season training. But yeah, we're heading back now. We're feeling a few drops of rain and there was just a big thunder. Haven't seen any lightning yet. Just posted today's vlog, which is yesterday. There's a photo up on Instagram as well to go with it. Check me out, HJK Photography, in the description down below. Just about to start cooking dinner, and then I'll edit today's vlog. Dinner cooked, same as last night. Just easy to do, I guess. We're all just chilling here tonight. Still no Wi-Fi, so we've got the beach volleyball on.
Women's. Don't forget women's.
Women's beach volleyball. So see you guys tomorrow, and don't forget to travel, discover, explore.
Oh, do one.